In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a document in Microsoft Word. This is a very handy feature when you want to secure your sensitive information from prying eyes. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step so that you can easily follow along. To begin, you'll first need to open the document you wish to protect using Microsoft Word. Once you have your document open, take a look towards the top left corner of the application. There you'll find the File menu. Click on it. This menu provides a variety of options related to your document's file management, including saving, printing, and sharing capabilities. Once the File menu is open, you need to focus on the Info tab. From this window, you will have access to various settings regarding your document. Look for the option named Protect Document. This feature is crucial because it allows you to add an extra layer of security to your file. So go ahead and click on Protect Document. After clicking Protect Document, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to choose the Encrypt with Password option. Selecting this will initiate a dialog box prompting you to enter your desired password. Now, it's important to choose a strong password, something unique and secure that you'll remember. Type it into the provided field and then click OK. The system takes security seriously, so it will ask you to re-enter your password to confirm it. Make sure you input the exact same password as you did initially. Once you've typed it in, click OK again, and just like that, you've added a password to your document. The final step is to save your newly protected document to ensure all changes are applied. Return to the Office button, which is also in the upper left corner of your Word application. Click on it and then select Save. With that, your document is now securely password protected. Remember, from now on, anyone trying to open this document will need the password you just set. This feature is a trusted, convenient way to maintain privacy and protect your information. So, there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to safeguard your documents in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to drop a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.